Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jonathan Coates, and in today's free AI training, I'm going to be sharing with you a platform that's kind of like the Swiss Army knife of AI chatbots. It's called Perplexity. Now, I actually just found out about this, but I'm definitely going to be going more and more detail about it in this video as well as future videos. So let's go ahead and get started now. As you can see, it's set up similar to Chat GPT. They do have the options on the left-hand side where you can save your threads, but you do have to create an account for that. So if you want to be able to access those threads, you basically just got to sign in. You can do it by email and password, or you can use it with a platform such as Google, etc. So the biggest question that comes to mind is what makes this different than any other chatbot. So I want to share that with you because they actually go into great detail about it if you just ask them, and they give you sources as well. So Perplexity AI is distinct from traditional AI chatbots in several key ways. Number one, search focused functionality. Perplexity AI is primarily designed as an AI powered search engine rather than a general purpose chatbot. It uses advanced AI to search the internet in real time, gathering information from authoritative sources to answer queries. You get real-time information. Unlike many chatbots that rely on static data sets, Perplexity continuously updates its knowledge base by indexing the web daily, which is really fascinating and interesting if you ask me. This allows it to provide up-to-date information even on current events or live updates. If something happens today, you can come straight to Perplexity and, hey, can you give me some update about this? Whereas I believe Gemini and Copilot, it takes them a few weeks to aggregate that information. Based off of my experience, it seems like they're always playing catch up when it comes to current events. And then I remember, I don't know if this is still the case, but ChatGPT was like trained up until 2021. Source transparency. Perplexity provides numbered footnotes linking to original sources for each answer. This transparency allows users to verify information or explore topics further, enhancing credibility. Multiple AI models. Perplexity leverages multiple large language models, including GPT-4, Claude 3, Mistral Large, and its own proprietary models. So if you scroll any one of these numbers here, they actually give you the sources. So if you click on it, it'll take you to basically this article here from Zapier that goes into further detail about this specific line right here. So that's what I like about it. It provides sources as you're reading. Two search modes. Perplexity offers both quick search for fast, straightforward answers and pro search for more in-depth, tailored responses. Pro search can ask follow-up questions to refine queries, and then additional features, contextual memory for follow-up questions, document and image upload capabilities. If you remember in one of my other videos, I showed you how you can basically scan an entire document. There's a video that I made called PDF Filler, and in that document, I show you how to create a PDF and then a consultation application where people can fill it out online. And then based off of the answers that you get, they submit their forms back to you. You can take that and just submit it to this AI chatbot. I actually forgot what it was called. I think it was called Ask My PDF, but I'll try to link that in the description as well as in the cards above. But yeah, on this, you do have that option as the pro model. Image generation related to queries. Now that sounds pretty interesting. Organization of searches into threads and collections. By combining advanced AI search capabilities with transparent sourcing and flexibility features, Perplexity AI aims to provide a more reliable and versatile alternative to traditional search engines and AI chatbots. So as you probably know, OpenAI just released their GPT search or something like Search GPT. So it looks like the search engine game is up for grabs. Ever since the introduction of ChatGPT, this whole search engine race has been on full throttle. So let's talk about getting started with Perplexity. And I want to read this article to you. In what ways is Perplexity analogous to a multi-tool Swiss Army knife, as I mentioned in the beginning? I want to just read this to you. So the headline is, in what ways is Perplexity analogous to a multi-tool Swiss Army knife? And the answer is, Perplexity is an AI assistant which can be compared to a multi-Swiss Army knife in several different ways: versatility, adaptability, reliability, compactness, innovation. And let's go down one by one. So versatility. Just as the Swiss Army knife is equipped with a variety of tools to handle different tasks, Perplexity is designed to answer a wide range of questions, from simple factual queries to complex conceptual inquiries. It can provide information, offer explanations, and even engage in conversations, much like how a Swiss Army knife can cut, open, screw, and more. Adaptability. Swiss Army knives are known for their adaptability, with tools that can be used in various situations. Similarly, Perplexity is adaptable in its ability to understand and respond to different types of questions in various contexts. It takes into account the context of the conversation to provide a more accurate and personalized answer. Number 3, reliability. Swiss Army knives are trusted tools of adventurers around the world, known for their reliability and durability. In the same vein, Perplexity is a reliable source of information, leveraging the power of AI to provide credible, up-to-date answers with cited sources for every answer. Compactness. Swiss Army knife packs multiple tools into a compact, portable form. Similarly, Perplexity packs a vast amount of information and capabilities into a single user-friendly interface. And innovation. Swiss Army knives have evolved over time with new tools and functions being added to meet the changing needs of users. Perplexity, too, is continuously evolving with advancements in AI and machine learning, enhancing its ability to understand and respond to user queries. So there's a lot of different use cases. I want to share those with you. Got educational support, research assistance, mainly the same stuff that you would use with other chat bots, just with the distinction of it being more of a multimodal, much more capable, if you will. It's closer to a search engine than your traditional chatbots. So news consolidation, travel planning, weather forecasting, automated customer support, content creation and optimization. I want to talk about getting started with Perplexity. So here's a couple of different examples. So if you need a quick recipe, you can create, brainstorm, research recipes you know and love, or come up with something new. If you're curious about AI, it'll create and organize your threads using collections with all of your discoveries. Want to buy a new coffee machine? You can search for YouTube videos on Perplexity with search focus. So what should you use Perplexity for? From basic facts to tough questions and get answers from up-to-date sources, create code, summarize articles or emails, all in one place. Organizing your library. So your threads is what's actually in your library right here. You can organize them in a Perplexity collection by project or your topic. Invite contributors and easily switch privacy settings. Exploring topics in depth. Perplexity's Copilot feature provides a guided AI search experience, allowing you to explore topics in depth and learn new things. And then you can ask questions about your files and search the web, so you can interact with your data. You can upload documents, and that's very helpful if you ask me. And then they go into the pro search, as well as some of the benefits of basically going pro and the difference between the premium account and the basic account. I'm just going to leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick little overview. I just wanted to bring this to your attention and just show you how this works and what the differences is between this and other AI chatbots. All right, so that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoy. If you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you check out my website, jonathancoast.com, as well as the archives, artificial intelligence and automation on my website and on my playlist here right on YouTube. I go into great detail. I have about almost 100 videos on this subject, and I even have installations, getting started guides, and complete tutorials, and I'll walk you through a lot of different AI software and use cases. Also, be sure to take a look at the tools and the resources below, as well as the pinned comment by the Affiliate Marketing Samurai. I'll try to have everything that I included in this video as far as these different articles that I shared here in the Getting Started guide, and you'll see it in the description as well, all right? And I also have a free AI checklist in the description. Be sure to take a look at that. It'll help you to boost your efficiency and your creativity, all right? So I hope you enjoy. All you gotta do is just put your name and your email address in, and it'll get sent right to your inbox, all right? So with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.